2.4 gig band, the 2.4 gig band doesn't have many frequencies, right? How many frequencies are in the 26 megahertz of bandwidth, right? And then 2.4 gig, I think it is. So it's a pretty narrow antenna, but you might see some variation over frequency, something to check. So this is the azimuth, but you know, I'm an antenna on a tower, or I'm an antenna on a light pole, and not all of the users are at the same height. So somebody might be below me, too. Somebody might be below me. Somebody might be 10 degrees below me, right? Because maybe, let's take an extreme case. Let's say that the light pole, you got a really high light pole this time, and somebody puts something at 30 feet. And the next light pole is 30 feet away. Come on. Your antenna is here. But they couldn't put it up here. For some reason, they couldn't do it. There's a city regulated ordinance because it's an artsy area, whatever, for Oak Park with upside wind. And, you know, it's 30 feet away. Yeah, those guys they're very concerned about their art, the Jamaat.
Yeah, Oak Park, they want to make sure you don't change the art of the city.
Yeah, the furniture.
So you couldn't add anything.
So, you know, if you were 30 feet away, and this guy is 30 feet up, if you were down at the ground, that's a 45-degree angle, right? But let's say that you couldn't put it, so this is 45 degrees. So if that was true, that you had to talk to somebody down below you 45 degrees, that means that you have to look at this other pattern that's called the elevation plane, not the azimuth. The first one we looked at was azimuth, looking left and right. But the antenna also has, it sees different